Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to make AI talking animations without using Artlo, Heijin, or DID. Also, I'm gonna show how I make AI avatar for my Faceless YouTube channel. In this video, you will find out. We'll focus on creating handsome avatars that look professional and can be used personally on your channel. Let's get started. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so you won't miss any of my future videos. In this video, we'll show a step-by-step guide on creating a talking animated avatar using free AI tools. Step 1. Creating script. The first step to creating engaging content is writing a script. While Vidnoz AI has a text generation feature, another powerful tool you can use is ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter your topic or the main points you want to cover. For this video, we'll generate a script about how to use Vidnoz AI. Enter the prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a well-structured script. Step 2. Finding a character. The next thing we need is a character for our video. You can use pre-existing avatars from Vidnoz AI or generate one using AI image generation. Vidnoz AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform designed to assist in content creation, including generating text, enhancing images, creating videos, and more. It's perfect for content creators, marketers, and anyone looking to streamline their creative process. Step 3. Selecting character. First, create an account on Vidnoz AI. Then click on Avatars. Here you will find 3 options: Avatar Lite, Avatar Pro, and Talking Photo. I am going to select Talking Photo. You can choose from 80+ talking photos or create a talking avatar from an image you upload. For those who want to create a personal avatar, you can try tools like Leonardo AI, Playground AI, or Adobe Firefly. I'll provide prompts in the description. Also, the link to Vidnoz AI is in the description. Step 4. Voiceover for character. Next, we need to add a voiceover for our character. You can try the text-to-speech feature of Vidnoz AI. It has a personal, realistic voice generator with over 140+ languages. Alternatively, you can use AI voice cloning. Any voice's characteristics and details can be perfectly cloned and presented by AI instantly. No need to wait for hours or days, just generate it fast. Step 5. Adding adjustments. You can add templates to your video, as well as text, shapes, backgrounds, stickers, B-rolls, images, and transitions to make your avatar more engaging. Vidnoz AI also offers lots of background music options.
Sign up and log in. Go to the Vidnoz AI website.
There is also a great feature available on Vidnoz AI for faceless YouTubers called Avatar Lite. It offers 15 minutes per month of 1080p resolution with 3 Avatar Lite options. By using Avatar Lite, you can easily create a clone of yourself. Just record a video of yourself, upload it on Vidnoz AI, and wait for 10 minutes. Once it's done, your avatar will be ready. It's really easy to create and is perfect for those who want to start a personal branding channel but are too shy to appear in front of the camera. Here are some key features of Vidnoz AI video generator. Realistic AI avatars. The tool provides around 800+ lifelike avatars that you can use for different roles. Pre-designed video templates. The tool offers different pre-designed templates that you can use to create engaging videos for your projects. Dual avatar conversation mode. Apart from simple avatars, you can now use the conversation mode, which allows your avatars to talk with each other in different scenes. Easy AI video editor. This application's interface is simple and user-friendly. With one click, you can add multiple footage, change the background, generate AI scripts, and more. Vidnoz AI is a powerful and versatile tool for anyone looking to create high-quality videos with minimal effort. Make sure to visit Vidnoz AI from the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which feature you like the most. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.